Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to change your username on the tiktok.com website, but first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the website on your device and tap on this profile button at the top, then click on view profile. Tap on edit profile below your username, and then here you can find your username that you can change by tapping onto this box, delete the current one and type in the new one, and then click on this save button down below. As you can see, it's not so this username is still available, it is not taken, which is marked with this checkmark icon. So tap on the save button down below and click on confirm. As you can see, it has been updated. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.